The year 1529. The place, England. Sir John Lyttleton was born in 1519, while Robert Long was born in 1517. But on the WB, they were both played by Lyle Kennington and Toast.
My dear Mary, I shall bestow upon you the peaceful day for your life. Why am I separated by King Henry VIII, who doesn't like big fat baby like this?
'Cause King just got nasty.
Yeah! All you've got is a big fat baby!
And he said Mary the Queen is taking over Henry's throne to rule the England like this.
Who cares? The king was talking funny. The May Queen was a baby, remember? She looks like a queen. What else Henry calling her anyway? The Predator?
I really do not like the king getting me divorced from the British Empire of the Tudors.
Dragons and serpents were among the most popular designs, like these. But other designs were tried too.
You should have seen the one that got away.
Whoa, imagine my embarrassment.
Oh, please.
It's true, I tell ya. It was yay long. Had to be a 20-pounder for sure.
Mary, Queen of Scots, was one of the first golfers to use a caddy. But that didn't stop Napoleon from invading the Polish plain in 1807 on his way to Russia.
No matter how Henry will divorce Catherine of Aragon, she is disgusting for him now, dude.